study research on volcanoes that Miss Brady gave us to work. Okay, so there are 3 types of volcanoes.
There are shield, composite, and cinderstone.
The best place to look at volcanoes are in Hawaii. Isn't Hawaii beautiful?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look at Obsidian Rock.
Obsidian rocks form when volcano explodes and then the lava cools. So if you have a question, since you know how rocks form, can you tell me how volcanoes form?
One way volcanoes are formed is when 2 plates meet, and another way is when one plate is forced underneath the other. So how does lava erupt?
Magma surrounds the rock because it's less dense and goes through the crust.
The most eruptions happen in the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is between the European plates and the American plates.
Okay, since we have all our research, let's go home.
Okay. Wasn't Hawaii amazing?
Yeah, I learned a lot about volcanoes.
So did I.
It's good to be home.
Yeah.